Here's a pair of the JBL Vibe Beam Earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an Android phone via Bluetooth. The Android phone that I'm using here is a Google Pixel 9a. So the first thing is we have to make sure to put these in the pairing mode, okay? So let's go ahead, the buds are in the case. Let me open these up. I'm going to take them out. And then up here on the top where you see those lights, we'll know it's in pairing mode if it starts blinking blue, 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 blue. Okay, mine is a solid blue light and then it's going to turn off and it said connected inside, okay? And the reason is because I'm connected to another device. I'm actually connected to my iPhone, okay? So in order for me to put this in pairing mode, what I can do is there's two things I can do. The first thing is I can go to my iPhone where it's connected to. I can go to my Bluetooth settings and then I could either disconnect, turn off my Bluetooth, or forget the device or basically unpair or delete it from the pairing list. As soon as I do any of those three on this iPhone, then while these earbuds are out, automatically they'll start going to pairing mode by blinking blue, 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 blue. Okay, now the second way to put this in pairing mode is this, okay? This time we're not going to disconnect or anything from my iPhone that's currently connected to, okay? So now the buds are in the case. Let me pull these out. And now, like I said, instead of going to my iPhone and disconnecting from Bluetooth or turning it off, I'm going to do this, okay? Now they're connected again to my iPhone. Now what I'm going to do is you have sensors up here. I'm going to tap hard once and then tap and hold again and wait until it blinks blue here rapidly. Okay, ready? You got to do it kind of hard. 1, 2, and then press and hold. There we go. Okay, if it didn't work the first time, then put it back in the case and do it over. So now it's in pairing mode. Okay, so now I can go ahead, go to my Android phone here, and if this pops up here, then you can go ahead and connect that way. If it doesn't, it's no biggie. Simply just go to your settings, and then you want to go to Bluetooth settings, okay? On this Pixel 9a, I'm going to go to connected devices. This is Bluetooth right there. And then, and that JBL Beam pops up there. I can tap there again. If not, just tap pair new device right there. And then under available devices, that little thing that's spinning is searching for a device that's in pairing mode near me. So it found the JBL Vibe Beams. I'll tap on that right there. I should get a pairing request right there. And I'll leave that toggled off and I'll tap on pair. And I just heard it say it's connected, and you can see we're connected and I got 100% battery juice, okay? So these are connected, ready to go now. Now, if you had any kind of issue pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.